Want to make passive income on Amazon KDP from just one book? It's absolutely possible if you publish something that people need all year round. Some books only sell during certain seasons, like holiday planners or Valentine's activity books. But evergreen books, these sell every single month. Think of gratitude journals, fitness trackers, password logs, or budget planners. People search for this every single day, regardless of the time of year. Head to Amazon and type in gratitude journal or habit tracker. You will notice these books have thousands of reviews and steady BSRs, a good sign they sell consistently. It proves that just one well positioned book can keep earning for months or even years. You could keep guessing and scrolling through Amazon manually, or you can use BookBolt. BookBolt shows you which niches are evergreen and what keywords are getting steady search volume, so you know what to publish next. If you want to build long term income with books that sell on autopilot, try BookBolt. Use the link in the description to explore evergreen niches that never go out of style.